Go do this. Go break that. Oh, Mike, you're responsible. Not today, buddy. Well, Dr. Dills is gone for the week, which means it's just me for today. We're gonna have some fun. Hey, I'm Mike, and welcome on back to the Hangar Hideout. Now today, as you've heard, Dr. Dills is gone for the week, which means, that's right, it's just me. Nothing's gonna get done right, it's just gonna get done my way. I won't have someone telling me, you're doing it wrong, or actually, the correct way would be doing this. No, we're gonna do things the easy way, in the quick way. The way it should be done. Who cares if something's gonna break? You know, I'm happy because this kind of seems like a vacation for myself too. And that's why today I think I'm gonna work on getting this motor out. Maybe I'll get it out, maybe I'll get it close. I don't know, we're gonna work at my own pace. I don't know what we're gonna run into. What I do know is we clearly have the entire front fascia off. We have most of the coolant tubes off. I know we got a fuel line. We're gonna have to disconnect this from the drive shaft and see where it takes us. Let's get to work. Well, up top here, it looks like we still have some connectors attached. We gotta pull that computer out. So all we gotta do is disconnect that, lay it over the motor, disconnect this here fuel line, then we'll get under the car. I learned something today. I don't really need Dr. Dills. I think he just gets in my way. You know, I learned something else today as well. And that's everything on a German car is just inconvenient. Computer's out. And I left it in a nice little carrying case. My way. Now I know you're all saying, well, do you just throw all your parts on the ground? And to that I say, yes, I do, because I'm mad at them. But I pick them up and organize them. Right? He doesn't talk because he's not here. All right, well, we got everything. Well, not we, me, I got everything unbuttoned on the top here. Now, we gotta go down below. You know, I gotta say something. Does Dr. Doofus annoy me? Yes. Yes, he does. Oh, does Dr. Doofus annoy me? But I kind of miss him. I miss his presence. He has an aura about him. All right, enough of that sentimental crap. Let's get under the car and let's detach it from the drive shaft, and might have to do like the slave cylinder or something. Let's take a look. Remember, when you're under a car, use safety glasses. You know, Dr. Dills taught me that. Okay. I kind of miss him now. Oh well. take some plastic out. Well, the exhaust is no longer attached to the motor. It's pretty cool beans. Alright, well that is about all I got in me for this episode, but we got a little bit done. Again, we worked at our pace, and we did it my way. There was a lot of yelling. I yell when I work on cars. I got to throw parts. No one yelled at me for that. It actually felt pretty liberating. We got to do this more often. Or if Dr. Dills could take a little bit more vacations. But we got the top one buttoned up. We got the computer out. So that was a little bit harder than I anticipated. We finally got this car up, and it's been sitting here for at least 3 years. So that's progress. The exhaust is no longer attached. That's pretty cool beans. Now I just have a couple more things to do, and we'll pull this motor out. I want to thank you guys for Before I finish, I had to bring Bob a little bit closer because I do miss Dills a little bit. Can't wait to see him on next episode. But I want to thank you guys for coming by. Don't forget, if you liked it, give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, I want to thank you guys for hiding out with me, not us, just me. Shut up! Damn it! Hey, Mom. Yeah, he's gone. I got the anger all to myself. Okay, I love you. Bye. Of course. There's. Of course there is. Of course there is. Mike. Because he's always doing cool car things and don't need nobody to help.